Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Pure for Boost Mobile. So the Moto G Pure is now here at Boost Mobile. It's currently on sale, $70 off. It's on sale for $59.99. The full retail price is $129.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget phone, the Moto G Pure, the Moto G Pure could be the phone to check out here. So like I said, this is a budget phone, so the specs in here are decent. You know, it's not too bad for what it is, a budget phone. So there's the Moto G Pure. So yeah, so this is the front. You guys have your teardrop notch or your front facing camera earpiece above that. Power and van keys on the right side of the phone there. And I do like this wallpaper, they're very colorful and whatnot. I do like the clock widget as well, pretty nice looking clock there from Motorola. Back of the Moto G Pure we go. You guys have dual camera setup along with the camera flash fingerprint sensor right there, and the Motorola logo, very iconic. Says here AI dual camera, so pretty cool there. And yeah, that's what the back looks like. There's the back of it again. Right side of the phone, like I said, has your power and volume keys. Power and volume keys there. The left side of the phone will have your micro SD and SIM card slot on the left. So yeah. So it says here, meet Moto G Pure and get more of what you love. An ultra wide view of your favorite movies, games, and video chats on a 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display. Plus up to 2 days of battery life to keep the fun going all weekend long. And there's more. Dual camera system, octa-core processor, water repellent design. With Moto G Pure, more comes standard. So you know, pretty good there. They claim 2 days of battery life, but it also depends on usage as well. It has a water repellent coating. It's not waterproof, guys, so don't submerge your Moto G Pure. Don't submerge it because it's not waterproof. It's water repellent. So if you guys get a bit of water on it, you guys will be fine. So it's compatible with the expanded network. So that's good. So like a lot of phones now are pretty much standard with the expanded network now. It's pretty much standard now. So quick specs on the Moto G Pure: 6.5-inch display, 13 megapixel main camera on the rear, 46 hours of talk time, 32 gigabytes of storage, and Android 11 on board. Alright. So how's it work? Is order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick a plan, and activate online. Features: widescreen for the win. Bring your favorite movies, shows, websites, and games to life on an ultra wide screen. The 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display features a 20:9 aspect ratio with an 81% screen to body ratio. See more, play more, enjoy more. Alright. Up to 2 days of battery life. Running out of power is no fun. That's why we give Moto G Pure a long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery. Work and play for up to 46 hours without worrying about recharging. Take your photos further. Get creative and get your best results, including beautiful portraits with a blurry effect. Plus, the 13 megapixel camera with face detection autofocus captures your subject in the blink of an eye, so you never miss those once in a lifetime moments. Right? More features to go. More fun, less lag. Feel your phone respond instantly to every touch, tap, and swipe with the octa-core 2 GHz processor. Play games with smoother performance and better power efficiency thanks to Hyper Engine, whatever the hell that is. Water repellent, reef proof. Never let spills and splashes get in your way. Whether you are out for a drink or getting caught up in a lot of rain, a water repellent design keeps your phone protected inside and out. Like I said, it is water repellent. It has a water repellent coating. So if you guys get a little bit of water on it, you guys will be fine. The Moto G Pure is not waterproof, guys, so don't submerge your phone. Don't do that. Your fingerprint is your password. Don't worry, don't bother with a passcode, just tap the fingerprint reader to wake up and unlock your phone instantly. It's discreetly located within the phone's iconic logo, so you hardly know the reader is there until you use it. And then that's very genius there from Motorola. They placed the fingerprint sensor right in the iconic logo. That's very genius. Your phone, your experience. With my UX, your phone works the way you want. Control it with simple gestures, customize your entertainment settings, and create a look that's one in a million. My UX is all you. Make it more you. Choose from custom colors, fonts, and icon shapes. Add unique wallpapers to your home and lock screens, and customize the layout of icons, widgets to create a look all your own. Android 11. Android 11 helps you get to what matters most on your phone. Faster controls that make routines easier. Features that help you stay in touch. Mexico roaming capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Plain Odin is required for that. Also, it has voice roaming capable. So this is good for emergencies. Says keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Boost network. So select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. It is also mobile hotspot capable as well. It says don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access. Access varies per plan. Alright. Specs. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so specs on here are decent for what it is. So battery is a 4,000 mAh battery, 46 hours of talk time. The battery is not removable, so that's pretty much standard now. 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of RAM. You do have a micro SD card slot up to 512 GB, so take advantage of that. Android 11 on board, like I said. Processor is a MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core 2 GHz processor. So yeah. Camera is a 13 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, then a 5 megapixel front facing camera. Display 6.5 inches max vision HD plus display. Dimensions 6.59 inches height, 2.98 inches width, 0.34 inches depth. The Moto GPU weighs 6.6 ounces. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, which is pretty much standard now. Other features include a fingerprint reader, which is located in the back of the phone where the iconic Motorola logo is. So that's very iconic and that's very genius. So what's included in the box is your Moto G Pure smartphone 10-watt charger, SIM tool, USB Type-C cable, and your documentations like temper conditions, stuff like that. If you guys didn't have what your Moto G Pure, like setting up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and stuff like that, Beast Mobile has you covered with that with the price support, which is a great tool. It says want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So yeah. So there you guys have the Moto G Pure. Is now here at Beast Mobile. It's currently on sale, so $70 off. It's on sale right now for $59.99. The full retail price of the Moto G Pure is $129.99. This is a budget smartphone, so do keep it in mind. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, the Moto G Pure could be the phone to check out. The phone does look very nice. It does have pretty good features with it. Not bad for a budget phone like this. It does have Android 11, which is nice. There's no 5G, of course. This is not a 5G phone, but hey, you know. I think you'll get Android 12 on this. I'm pretty sure you'll get Android 12 on this. But yeah, if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, the Moto G Pure could be the one to check out here. The phone is very nice and has some pretty nice specs with it as well for a budget phone. So yeah, there you guys go. Moto G Pure, now available at Beast Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.